Hello, YouTubes. We got Santa here today. Oh, look at that. Santa's got some Christmas candy. I tell you what, Santa, I hate Christmas candy. I like Halloween candy. You shouldn't be eating candy anyway because you only work one damn day a year and you're already overweight. How you get down people's chimneys in the first place? Why don't we do this, Santa? Let's throw another log on the fire. Like Santa had a rough go of it. Oh, look at that, Santa. Well, you should have lost some weight. Oh, little angel of Bethlehem. Look at her, how sweet. Maybe she'll be your saving grace. Oh, is that an Easton baseball bat? Oh, it sure is, aluminum. Oh, yes. Suck it, Santa. Home run. Ooh, got me a nice number 3 stick. Let's hit some ball. Yes. Like glitter. Oh, I love it. Oh, Christmas balls are stupid and cheap. Not as cool as Halloween. Oh, look how beautiful. Christmas ornaments hanging in the trees. Nice little slugger. Look at that. Little baby Jesus, made in Taiwan. Ooh! Oh, let's tee off on Santa today. Look at it. Ooh! It's a white man, made in Taiwan. Ooh! It's so easy. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, that's so... I love it. Oh, look at that. Jingle ball, 2 for the price of 1. Ooh, look at rain glitter. Ooh, home run. Yeah. Ooh. Ah. Oh, that sucks. Gotta make an evil face on the bat. Here we go. Let's take another shot at that. Ooh. Ooh. That's a tough one. Ooh, you got him going. Ooh. Another wise man. Made in Taiwan. Ooh. Yeah, I love it. All right, purple. I'm betting left-hander. Oh, oh, I can't bat left. Ooh. Oh, it's out of there. Look at that. We're down to 3 left. Here we go. Come on, Goldilocks. Let's go this way. Oh, look at all that glitter. Woo! I love it. 1 wise man, 1 purple. All right, wise man, we're going to send you back to Taiwan. Ooh, ooh, he got a piece hanging. He's out of there. And boy, are these purple sticklers. We got to really crush this one. Come on, baby. Oh, yes, I love it. He's out of there. Take a victory lap first Halloween, because Christmas is stupid. Oh, you're awful jolly for a guy who works one day a year. I think Santa wants to sing us a little song. Oh, look at that. How joyful you must be. And Mrs. Claus. Sing your little song, fat man. Sing it. Oh, look at that. Joyful and triumphant. Oh, yeah. Let's get a little on your bag there. Come on, fat man. Oh, keep singing your little carols. Nobody wants to hear them. I'm tired of your crap always taking up space during Halloween, and it's way too early. Whew, that must be a Chinese-made lighter. Oh, let's get Mrs. Claus in on the deal, too. Come on, fat man, sing a little song. There she goes. Come on, Santa. Let the missus get in on some of this. There we go. Ah, your chestnuts roasting over an open fire now? They sure look like it. Ooh. Oh, yes. Burn, Santa, burn. Oh, there goes Mrs. Claus. Time for you to say goodnight, fat man. Oh! Yeah! Because Christmas is stupid. Halloween rules. Happy Halloween, everybody, for 2020 and the upcoming year. Look what the fat man did. Happy Halloween.